Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review FASCINO's men's leather wallet, which is a very popular in Amazon. So here you can see how the packing is done. So let me open it up and show how it looks like from inside. So when you open it, you can see there is a small leather piece is given, which gives an authenticity, how good leather is they have used, genuine leather is used. And there is another thing, obviously you can get it with all the packagings. And here you can see there is a premium paper is provided here, so it is clearly mentioned. FASCINO branding is shown here. That is even pretty cool. So let's keep it here. So our focus is wallet. So when you take it out, you can see the material is quite premium, the feel, and there is an small emblem or logo is also given here, the branding I can say, and there is a small like paper strap showing that this is RFID protected. Nowadays it's very important. So here you can see this is the thickness of the wallet, which is very easy to carry around. The back side looks very premium leather, and it looks really nice on your hands. So when you open it up, there is a transparent area. You can put your ID card or something which you don't have to take it out frequently to show somewhere. And another thing, there are another 4 slots for your cards, and here also one more extra slots. There are 2 slots we can say. And here there is an RFID safe, it is mentioned, and FASCINO branding is also given. Overall, the touch is very smooth, and here there are 2 hidden pockets also. You can keep your coins and other things. And here you can see there is a very premium clothing is used, and 2 currency compartments are here actually. So you can keep it and use it. So for example, we can say how much this particular thing weighs. For that, I will give the product in the video description and also tag it, so you can, if you want, you can purchase it. So I click it on. So let me put the wallet here. So you can see the weight is 63. Now you can see it. Again, we can put it again to see it is exactly 63. It is 63 grams it is showing, including the weights of these cards and everything, which is quite easy to take around in your day-to-day life. So overall, even the stitching quality looks quite premium. So this is all about the product. If you have any doubts, you can comment on the video description. And if you want to purchase, I will keep it in the video tag as well as in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching this. Have a great day.